Today, I'll show you how to assemble this fun Valentine's Day box card. If you've already cut out your pieces, you're ready to go. Plus, don't forget, the included PDF menu has this handy diagram showing where the pieces go on the inserts. So I went ahead and put together my three inserts, and I used a Sharpie here just for this video to darken that in. You can do the same thing if you want, but it's not necessary, as long as you can just look closely and see that number and just decorate them the same way that I did. Or if you want to change it up and put the hearts in different places, you totally can. So here is the body of the box card, and as you can see, I glued this back panel here for writing or stamping on, and these three panels, and then on the underside of the flaps there's those decorations, and then on the front there's some different decorations. So I've also got my 4 hearts here on the back, but again, you can change those up and glue them on there differently if you want. That's totally up to you. If you have some kind of idea, go for it. So as you can see, I put glue on the side tab there, and I'm gluing it in place. And before it dries completely, it's a good idea to fold it flat both ways and make sure it's going to fold flat. And now, insert number 1, I want these tabs folded towards me with some glue on them. And I want the top of the tabs flush with the top of the box, and the front of the tabs flush with the front of the box. You're going to get sick of hearing me say that over and over, because that's how all of the box cards that I make go together. So next we've got insert number 2. These tabs could go either way, but since we've got number 1 in place, I'm going to fold them towards me. And as always, they are flush with the top of the box, and the front of those tabs is flush with the piece in front of it. And again, let's fold it flat while it's still drying. Make sure it'll work. And then for insert number 3, I've got the tabs folded away from me with some glue on them. And I'm going to pop those in there just the same way. I want them to be, everything to be going at right angles as far as the tabs go, so they're flush with the top of the box and the back of the box. And a quick check, and we're all set. Here's how to make the envelope for your card. First, rotate your shape 45 degrees counterclockwise. Fold the sides in. Then, fold the bottom up and attach it to the side flaps. Insert your card, then fold the top flap down and secure it. That's it, your envelope is ready.